I'm going to show you how to attach Ghana twist butterfly locks in the medium size. Stay tuned. Begin by braiding your hair into your desired foundational pattern. This pattern will vary depending on the hairstyle you choose. Remember, a good foundation is the key to any crochet style. It will ensure your locks remain flat and long-lasting. Also gives a more natural finish. Once completed, you can sew up any loose ends. This will add more security and support to your foundational braids. Using your crochet needle, we're going to attach this. Each pack comes with 10 locks, just enough. Grabbing your crochet hook and your pre-looped end of your locks, place it within the crochet hook. Close the finger latch and pull through to fully secure. This quick and easy process allows the hair to freely pass through the braid with no pain. Now, repeat the process throughout your head until you achieve your desired look. Remember to leave space between each crochet to avoid crowding. Ghana twist butterfly locks are a great way to achieve a gorgeous hairstyle in a short amount of time. Always take time to take care of your hair and scalp to ensure a smooth braiding and crochet experience.